What started as a sentencing hearing inside an Ohio courtroom quickly turned into chaos. 20-year-old Latrell Rogers had just been sentenced to 12 to 17 and a half years in prison after pleading guilty to involuntary manslaughter in the shooting death of 17-year-old Edwin Miser Arrington. But as the sentence was read, tensions between the victim's family and Rogers' family exploded, turning the courtroom into a chaotic scene as deputies rushed in to break up a violent fight.
Eligible for judicial release, Judge.
I'll do that. You don't have to. All right.
Thank you.
Love y'all. This way. Come on, keep walking. Keep walking. Down. Keep walking. I'm going with that. Base 7, everybody die. Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! You are not.
He's leaving that way. That way. This way. This way.
Yours? Not yours?
No, slow down.
Who is she? I see my mom, please.
No, she's down there. We're not going back that way.
You're not trying to come up here with you.
Yes, sir. We can't go back that way.
That's my baby mother. I see.
We're gonna go down. Is that her behind us?
Yes.
We're going down this way.
Hey, come on, Mom. Come here. Hey, come here, Mom. Come here.
Let's go through here. Straight through here.
I love you, Mom. Get away from my face, please.
Hold on.
I love you, Mom. Get away from my face, please.
I got you.
I love you, Mom.
We're going straight up to 5 right here. Yeah, check the hallway. Go get that door. Get the door.
No worries, man. I love y'all. I love y'all.
All right, let's go. Get the door. Go get the door. Go get the door. Go. I got him if you want to go back down and make sure everything will help out. Take a deep breath. I know. Take a breath. Let's get up here. Let's get up here and I'll get you shot down. I know. I know.
Base of all available units. Continue responding to 530. Programs advising that it's escalated.
Just stand right
We
there.
have help.
Is that your phone? No, I got my phone. Is that my page? Probably my page right here. It might be my page. It might be my page.
So,
Alright, we just waiting now. That was the first one at the branch, so they slammed me.
hang on. Is this everybody? Is this everybody?
I was out there, was waiting on him. He was waiting.
Time out. Make sure I'm gonna walk all you guys out at one time. Just make sure this is everybody.
Listen, I don't care what nobody say, bro. They knew that bullshit was about to happen. That man stood there for forever. Before they brought him out, he never came in the courtroom. They want everybody else about something. They don't stand there and swing on my arm.
You ready? You guys ready? Okay.
Right by the door.
What is my nephew going to be charged with, you know?
I
The
don't
one
know.
with the grave. He's
I don't
the only
know.
one that went to jail out of us.
We'll find out. Let's all walk this way. We'll talk and walk. He may not be arrested. He might just be detaining him for right now. So he might just be detained. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
You're gonna make sure they make it out?
Yes. Yeah.
They watching us out. It's crazy. They didn't like the scene. They knew that shit was about to go down. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I'm upset. I'm mad.
They can know that.
Yeah. I got it. Took him to jail. I'm the fuck.
Uber has 3 guys that land. Do you want them for anything?
Only put him with the jail out of us. I think it's my day, but I'm about to find out.
Do we have anybody in the courtroom? Does the judge want anyone for contempt?
He was
Or do
defending
we have any assaults or anything we know of?
All right.
I'm in
Let's
the
see.
room. Okay, fine.
Yes. Come on, baby.
Where you guys headed? You guys use restroom? Okay, that's fine.
Who's that guy? Is that, you know that person? Is that related to you or? Is that the other?
Her?
Yeah. Where's she on the other side?
No,
Okay, we'll find it. But you're calmed down. But you can't act like that in here.
I was just really trying to see what's going on. I heard the
Well-
kids out here, I ran out here, everybody just...
That dude tried to run up and freaking attack him. That's what's going on.
That's what happened.
And then
That's how I
everybody
ran
came out. And everybody came out and started pushing me around. You don't push me around.
I understand.
I toss you out. I toss you.
I'm knowing. But yeah, because when I jumped.
Okay, well. Yeah. We're just trying to find his other boot.
Yeah, it's in the courtroom.
Hang on. Do me a favor. Is this your phone?
No, that's not mine, sir. I don't know whose phone it is.
Park your ass right there for me.
This group was last seen on that way with somebody. And they're...
So, would somebody else have picked up your boot? One of your family peoples?
Probably.
I'm hoping so. You're not seeing some of these.
They said that.
Somebody said it was going that way down the hall.
Hey, don't even worry about it. We'll get it.
Want me to go back to 520?
Huh?
I was in 520. I was in the back. Can you go back there? I heard all this going on, so I ran out.
How's that guy acting?
He's fine.
No. Huh?
Got Mason's body cam. Somebody gave it to me.
That's their family. That's where I'm out.
People in the lobby.
Brady in the lobby. How many people you got down there? Hey, good to see you. Listen to me. Are they your people? All right. Okay. What is? Listen, watch me. What is your? What's your last name?
Sullivan. S-U-L-L-I-V-N.
Common spelling. Okay. Yeah. Just. Yeah, I'm good. Masons.
Okay, I got it.
Hey, do you have RCIC up? Time out. Turn that off. You can't record in here. You cannot record in the courthouse. Turn the phone off. Yes, you are.
Hey, brother. Brother, I'm gonna just call out, brother. Look, brother. They got me in cuffs around the courthouse, bro. We almost just got in trouble with them, bro, and everything, bro.
What did she say?
She had 3 nights and ran.
Right here, but they trying to, I just called to tell you that, brother. I don't know what's gonna go on, but we just gonna bang it out with them.
Okay.
But I'm just telling you that, brother. I'm gonna call you when I see this up.
Turn that off.
I ain't in no trouble or nothing.
Right now, you're being detained.
Bro, what?
Got your phone off.
I ain't being detained for nothing. I ain't touched nobody.
Does Sullivan have anything?
No. Clean sleep. Let me up out of here. Time to go.
You know what? You want to go across the street? Shut your mouth and wait. You don't dictate shit here.
I don't care. I ain't do nothing wrong. I know my
Yeah.
rights. That's what I do know. I know my rights.
Here, here. Stand up. Stand up. Here, see if he answers the phone again. Now, let me explain something to you. You were acting a fool. There was a big disturbance. I'm allowed to detain you to find out who you are. Lean forward. Twist this way. Soon as now, bring your arm back. Bring your arm back. I'm just fixing this so it's not all twisted up on you. We'll be done here in a second. As soon as I get to make sure that you're not like an axe murderer out of Texas. Have a seat. Don't lean back on him. He didn't answer you.
I'd like an air.
Lieutenant, is Sullivan? Does he have anything open? Okay, thank you. All right. Who are you here with? You come with your mom or somebody, grandma, or?
Nah, I wasn't here with no. I was here with my family. That was just
Well, who else is in your family? That's what I'm asking.
What you mean by that?
Who did you come with?
Oh, I came with that's my little brother.
Here, stand up.
So that's my little brother that we was in the courtroom with. His mom.
Come to the office.
And I was with my little brother and my
All right, good.
my dad.
Turn around. Turn this way. Now we're gonna have a heart to heart because I thought we were good over there.
We was
Now,
good.
listen to me. So anytime you're standing up here, want to attack, want to run down there and do something. Anytime I come for a disturbance, I can handcuff anybody. I can run anybody. I handcuffed you because you wouldn't. You were squirmy as hell. You can't make. You were on a phone call. You should have said, "Hey, I mean phone call." You can't record anything in here. That's
I
recorded.
wasn't recording. I
Listen
was
to
on
me.
FaceTime video telling my boy I couldn't make the work because I didn't know which I was going to do. I got to go to work. That's why I'm dressed
Can you
up.
let me finish? Can you let me finish? I'm going to grab your phone. I'm going to walk you out. Hopefully you don't. Which side? I don't even know what side you are. Hopefully you don't ever come here again. If you come here, you cannot act like that. I got other shit going on. Otherwise, I'd probably take you over there. There's that.
For what, though?
DC at least.
What the fuck? What's DC?
Disorderly conduct, acting a fool. I'll take you back in there and have him hold you in contempt. Give you 90 days. Yeah. Well, then you need to, when you got responsibilities, you need to act like an adult while you're here.
In the end, Latrell Rogers was sentenced to 12 to 17 and a half years in prison for the death of 17-year-old Edwin Meisel Arrington. But for the victim's family, the courtroom chaos reflected a deeper frustration. They say the sentence simply isn't enough for the life that was lost. The emotional confrontation serves as a stark reminder of how devastating cases like this can be for everyone involved, long after the verdict is delivered.